Wanted to win the count to Ryan Howard with one away here in the bottom of the fourth. Howard sends one in the air, center field. Bourne going back, a record-breaking home run, number 300 for Ryan Howard to dead center field off the brick wall. It's 7-2. The Braves on top by 5. Ryan Howard becomes the second fastest hitter to 300 home runs, right behind Ralph Kiner, and he becomes the second Philly to reach 300 home runs. Mike Schmidt the other. It was just a matter of time.
Swing and a fly ball hit the center. It's deep. Bourne takes a look. That ball is gone. Goodbye off the batter's eye. Number 300 for Ryan Howard. He's homered in 4 consecutive games. He's done it again. His 14th home run of the season at 7-2. He touches them all. When he gets hot, LA, no one is hotter.
You got that right. And you know what? He also does something smart. He hits his home runs, his big home runs into the ivy, like his 200th, his 300th. That way he can get it back for sure.
There you go. Don't have to convince a fan to give it back.